Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's video, we'll teach you how to add a currency in Invent ERP. Learn to add a currency to enable accurate multi-currency pricing and have flexibility in your business for customers. Let's see how. Click on All Apps. Head to Accounting. When you arrive, click on Configuration, then Accounting, then Currencies. In the Currencies page, select the currency you want to use. When you enter, scroll down to the Current Rate section, then press Add. The creation page will appear. Add the exchange rate for the currency, which is equivalent to 1 BD. Then press Save. As you can see, the currency is updated with the rate. Now let's create an invoice with this currency. Navigate to Customers, then Invoices. Press on Add. Begin by selecting a customer. Then choose the currency. Head over to Customer Invoice Items, and add a product. It should look like this. The price of the product is in the currency you selected. When you are done, go ahead and create. By the way, a message is shown letting you know you are using a foreign currency for this invoice. Navigate back to your Invoices page. As you can see, you have successfully created an invoice with a foreign currency. It shows you the converted amount as well. That's it. That is how to add and use a currency in Invent ERP. Thank you for watching.